Hello, this is Ms. Stafford, and I want to walk you through submitting assignments on Blackboard. Even if you are using Google Docs, you can easily convert a Google Doc to a Word document to upload it to Blackboard. So the first thing I'm going to do is sign in. And when I get to this screen, I click on Blackboard. And then I click on my course. So today I'm going to click on English 100 624, the Lewis County course. And then to submit an assignment, I have to go to weekly units. All the assignments are in weekly units. And then if I'm trying to turn in the first assignment, it is in Unit 1, weeks 1 through 2. And it is here. So this is the assignment that I want to turn in. So I have to click on that assignment. This is the submission page. So no matter what you turn in to this course, you will turn it in at a submission page. So I want to browse my computer and attach the assignment. But if it's on Google Docs and it's not on my computer yet. So to get the assignment on my computer, I simply go to Google Docs. So I just opened another tab and went to Google and my drive. And if this is the Unit 1 assessment that I want to convert to a Word file, I just click on it and click File. And go down to Download in Microsoft Word. And see that it creates a little folder right here. I don't have to do anything else but go back to Blackboard, click Browse My Computer, and if you can't find the file, it's most likely in Downloads because you just downloaded it. And I double click on the assignment that I just downloaded, and it appears here because I've attached it. I click Submit. And you will be brought to a preview screen, and you'll get to preview it and click OK. Of course, I can't do that because I'm the instructor in the course, so it's not going to let me submit an assignment for grading. But that's all you have to do. Now, please remember that if you're looking for an assignment, it's in weekly units. So for example, we are actually in weeks 3 through 5, and so you see your reading assignments, and then your essay number 1 assignment, and then your chapter 1 through 4 vocabulary assignment. And these are the 2 things that you should be working on for this course after submitting the Introduction to Academic Writing assignment. When you look at Essay 1, the easiest thing to do is click on this doc to get started. And it brings up the writing packet for you, reading and writing packet. And there are films linked to this doc. As well as the articles that you need to read. And all the citation information that you will need. So for example, if I am citing Article 2, should children get to have cell phones in elementary school? In text, I would cite St. George, as that is the author's last name. And on my Works Cited page, I would create the entire MLA citation, St. George, comma, Donna, period, in quotation marks, should children get to have cell phones in elementary school, question marks, end quotation marks, the Washington Post, comma, 12 December 2016, period. If you have any questions at all, at any time, please feel free to email me. I'm always here to help you. I also have office hours. I'm available every Friday morning to help you from 8 to 9, actually from about 7:30 or so to 9 o'clock. Just email me, and I don't mind at all to call you. And if you need help, and it isn't Friday, then just email me, and we'll come up with a time that we can talk on the phone so that I can lead you through something, or we can FaceTime so that I can lead you through anything that you need help with.